This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have admin access and the page open, so start now. Select the text or block you want a link, click the link icon, paste the URL and press enter. Once done, open the small link settings drop-down and toggle open in new tab. This changes the anchor to target equals blank, so users keep your site open while visiting the destination. Make sure to update the post and clear any caching so the change appears immediately to visitors. Next, handle menus and widgets. Open Appearance right arrow menus, expand the menu item and check Open in new tab, enable Link Target in screen options if not visible. For widgets, add a custom HTML or text widget and include target equals blank on your anchor. Then add rel equals Nupener nor Führer for security. If you use the classic editor or an HTML block in Gutenberg, edit the anchor directly. This gives precise finish by updating the site and testing the link on desktop and mobile. Inspect the element to confirm target equals blank is present. If you added links in theme templates, edit the anchor in the PHP file and include target equals blank and rel attributes, then redeploy. If a link still won't open in a new tab, clear caches, disable plugins that rewrite links, and check custom JavaScript that may intercept clicks. This is the single most common troubleshooting tip to resolve conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.